Hello everybody and welcome to another money making application. Today we're looking at Perk Pop Quiz. This is a perk application you guys could use to stack up your perk points. And I got it pulled up in the Google Play Store. This is also available for iOS as well. So if you want to go ahead and download it, just type in Perk Pop Quiz like that. Go ahead and download it. We already got it installed. Once you get to the home page after you create an account or log in, you're going to see your perk points at the top right, and you can go ahead and start playing. So one of the things I like to play, I'll go ahead to not music. We'll go to movies, and there's one called Name That Movie. That's the one I like to play. But you're just going to look for something that you probably are good at, so you can play solo or a random opponent. We're just going to play solo. And then this should be an advertisement. If it doesn't load up, you can just hit the back key and trivia will start right up. Okay, that's Captain America. Now you got these kind of like lifelines at the bottom. There's a 50-50 split. You can bomb the question or get some. Let's use one of these, see what it does. So Green Lantern. Oh, did I freeze up? That didn't even work. I already knew the answer. Alright, let's see. It looks like we'll do a 50-50. Oh, it's gotta be this one. Now let's try bombing the question. That's definitely pixels. We'll just do it. Pixels. RoboCop. I know that before it even popped up. There we go. We did our first quiz. Should get about 4 points, I think. There we go. Boom. And you'll level up as you go along too. You can play again, or it will. Remember, just hit the back key. And this is something you could do while you're waiting at the doctor's office or in line or something like that. Or just stack up on your perk points. Oh, that's gotta be Charlie. Charlie in the Chocolate Factory. Ooh. Oh my god. Who doesn't know that? King Kong. See, some of these are pretty easy. And Terminator something. Oh, gonna be hard on me, huh? Let's do 50-50. That's not Terminator 2. I'm gonna say Genesis. You got it. Well, there you have it, guys. That's how you do it. And just keep playing games. You could share your accomplishments. Remember, hit the back key if you see that. Now, I just actually cashed out 2 perk. So I want to show you guys my instant PayPal for today. It's my $2 instant PayPal. Today's the 3rd of February 2019. I've already got it going to my bank account. And what I did, I just went to Perk's website, click on rewards. Now you don't have to do PayPal if you don't want to. You could do like an Amazon gift card or a Best Buy card. You could do higher amounts of PayPal. There's prizes. Tokens, I personally don't use the token part. I wouldn't want to put my points into tokens. But tokens are like, they're not perk points, but there's something you can use towards like sweepstakes deals and stuff like that. You can bank a lot of perk points on perk scratch and win, I think it is. But yeah, that's it for how to cash out on it. So I hope you guys liked the video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe. If you're curious what kind of phone I'm using, I'll link that in the description. And have a great day. Happy earnings. Take it easy.